Hey guys, it's Eddie with WTI, and today I want to share with you my nighttime sleep aid, ZzzQuil. Now, ZzzQuil works great in my case. I absolutely love taking it whenever I want to make sure I get a good night's rest, and I don't want to leave it up to chance. Now, a couple of features of it that I like is that it works quickly. In about 20 to 30 minutes after taking it, I start feeling a little bit sleepy and I get a good night's rest. Now the next morning I wake up feeling refreshed and ready to go. Also, another feature that I love about it is that it's non-habit forming, so I don't have to depend on it, which is great. And the third feature that I really appreciate is that it doesn't have any dyes or colors. As you can see, the liquid is clear, and it doesn't have alcohol, which is fantastic. So the recommended dose is the cap, which I misplaced, but it's 2 tablespoons. So let me show you how you take it. So you take 2 tablespoons. That's 1. And let me show you what it looks like right there. And that'll be 2. Has a good taste. Doesn't taste too much like medicine. And that's it. In about 20 minutes, I'll be fast asleep. And the next morning, I'm going to wake up refreshed. I love this stuff. And that's my point of view.